viewers, mornings. Another beautiful day. Hope your five senses work. Health and strength is good or excellent. What? Alright. Now, when it comes to this YouTube stuff, man, I don't let jealousy and envy come near, get near me, or hate. I just focus on the content and just put it out, and then keep pushing, yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching the videos, liking the videos, hating the videos. Yeah, so sometimes I use bad comments as motivation to keep me going, So yeah, so it's all part of the YouTube YouTube process, Yeah. There's no such thing as like having a YouTube channel and you're not gonna get some bad comments, So I mean, I think sometimes people do a bad comment just to see how you're gonna react, So yeah, but part of the process. So I just keep pushing, and just keep putting that focus on the content, put it out. Yeah, I'm always working on the little things. I had a pen and paper, brainstorming. I had a little pen and notebook, brainstorming, asking myself questions like, oh, how can I get better? So yeah, got to do that, man, when you're doing this, Yeah, and keep pushing. Yeah. All right, now for you gamers, what I got for you? Listen to this. Linux 6.15 better handles for PS5 controllers. AMD human presence detection off by default. It says here, all of the HID subsystem update have been merged for the ongoing Linux 6.15 merge window. Thanks to the work of Amazon engineers Alex Henry, Sony PlayStation 5 controllers are better handled with Linux 6.15. Sony previous contributed to a Linux driver for the PS5 controller as the HID PlayStation driver. What happens now is adding the PS5 controller ID to the HID Quarks code so that the HID PlayStation driver will be properly loaded. This is also to help with cases where the new HID PlayStation driver may be built as a part of the kernel, but not the older HID Sony driver for prior controllers. With Linux 6.15, this oversight is addressed, and PlayStation 5 controller support should work now more reliably and universally with the PlayStation HID driver. And then it says there, the HID updates for Linux 6.15 also include a big revamp of modernization of the HID PIDFF, that's PIDFF, force feedback driver. The HID PIDFF driver is used to force feedback with more quirky / non-standard device. It says there is a lot of code cleaning and other low-level improvements to this driver. AMD SFH driver, meanwhile, has improved its human presence detection, HPD support. The AMD SFH driver supports for modern Ryzen laptops will now default to having human presence detection disabled. HPD is intended for situations like automatic wake from suspend when a human is approaching or locking the screen. Locking the screen when no human presence is detected via new. Then it has /system /bus /PCI /driver /PCIe _MP2 _AMD /star /HPD system FS interface. Yeah, yeah. Anyway, it says you can enable disable HPD for AMD SFH supported laptops. And then it says there, as for the off by default behavior Unless you know to look for it, HBD is a surprising behavior, particularly because it can wake the system from suspend. It also has implication for power consumption because sensors are left enabled. After the sensor have been probed and HBD is found present, explicitly turn off HBD by default. User space can manually turn it on if desirable. Plus, there's a fix to the Apple HID driver, various HID BPF additions, and more. See the full list of HID change for Linux 6.15 via this pull request that has already been merged to Linux Git. Yeah, updates, folks. They just keep rolling in. Yeah, and that little and this pull request is real nice. It's a long page too. It's a long page, so I will leave the link in the description box. So yeah, these developers, they're working. Yeah, give a shout out to the developers. We got 2 comments here from the debaters. Let's see what they're talking about here. Who we got? Let's see here. Let's see. Tib said this. Last time I looked briefly at the DualSense driver on Linux, I could not find any mention of any audio support via the built-in default headphone jack. Does anyone use that controller know if the feature is supported? Grepping for audio slash, it says audio. You got audio, you got quotes, audio slash, quote again, jack, in between the 2 quotes, and another slash. Yeah, and then quote, headphones. Yeah, anyway, he said headphones in the source code did not return any results. You know what, they're looking at, I think they will be looking at this. Whenever you make a comment like this, they read it on on Phoronix, and then the developers they'll fix it. Let's see, here's the other one. And who is this? This is 84. What he says, he says he's responding to Tib. He said this is the output of D message. When I plug mine into USB, I think the answer is no. Mic is not supported. Kernel 6.15. I mean 6.14, and then he has a link code here for all the because they have a new high speed for USB 1.2 new high speed USB device number 9 using XHID new USB driver found, and then ID vendor equals 054C, ID product equals 0CE6, and then USB new USB device string MFR equals 1, product equal, serial number equals 0, USB -2 1-2 product DualSense wireless controller, USB 1-2 manufacturer Sony Interactive. So there's been some updates here, but I think the developers will take care of that. You know, we'll definitely take care of definitely take care of that. So yeah, you know, so they'll get back to who is this to Tib on this. So yeah, but other than that, another update to the PS5 controller on Linux, whether laptop or desktop or Steam Deck or Orange Pi. Yeah, so that should do it. So anywho, but that should hold you for now. As far as update goes, for now. Notice I say for now, meaning, you know, it might be another update coming out tomorrow, so got to keep you guys in the loop. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, still Star Wars Star Trek thing for Dark Side. Go. Peace.